I think you're here as the interpreter. Could you kindly translate to the resource persons what they have sworn to, so that they know what their obligation is to this committee?
刚才我们宣誓的是，就是我们在听证会的时候要说出真相，所有的真相。
Salamat, Ms. Carolyn. All right. So I will ask questions first to Yang Jianxin, or Tony Yang, or Antonio Maestrado Lim. Mr. Yang, kailan po kayo dumating sa Pilipinas? When did you come to the Philippines?
请问杨先生，您什么时候过来菲律宾？
我大概是在1998还是1999年。
That was around 1998 or 1999.
So 1998 or 1999, you have been here for a quarter of a century or 26 years.
所以你在这里大概有26年了，是吧？
哦，大概25、26年了。
Yes, that's correct. Around 25 to 26 years.
Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa kayo marunong mag-Pilipino?
你到现在还不会说菲律宾语吗？
大家都Bisaya may kunti-kunti ganyan.
Yes, Tagalog, Bisaya, only a few, a mix of everything.
Ganyan din yung sagot ni Michael Yang sa amin nung Farmally Investigation. Sa tagal na niya dito, hindi pa rin marunong mag-Pilipino o Bisaya ng fluent.
Madam Chair.
Anyway, yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Maybe we can ask Senator Gatchalian to confirm if he's really telling the truth.
We'll let the interpreter do her job, Mr. President.
I agree, Senator Sherwin. Thank you, Senator Sherwin and SP President Pro Tempore. So, Mr. Tony Yang, you confirm that you are a Chinese national? Kinukumpirma nyo na Chino ang nationality nyo? Your mic, please, Ms. Carolyn.
您确认你是中国籍吗？
我确认。
Yes, I confirm.
You confirm. So, do you also have a Philippine passport?
那请问你也有菲律宾的护照吗？
我没有菲律宾护照，没有。
I don't have a Philippine passport, none.
You don't? I heard differently. Do you have a Chinese passport?
那你有中国的护照吗？
有中国护照。
Yes, I have a Chinese passport.
You have a Chinese passport. Ito po, ifa-flash ko ngayon, birth certificate po ninyo. So, at ito birth certificate nyo dito sa Pilipinas. Late registration rin. Nirehistro po ito sir, noong 2004. So just 15 years, 16 years after you arrived here. Ibig sabihin, 34 years old na kayo nung na-register ang birth certificate nyo. You recognize this?
请问你能认出这个出生证吗？
因为这个出生证我也不懂得英文哦，就是当时好像我来这边差不多应该2、3年了。当时我爷爷他不知道怎么样，去哪里弄来给我，是我爷爷弄来给我的。
Okay. I actually could not understand English. What I remember is that when I was here, when I was 2 to 3 years old, it was my grandfather who helped me come up with this birth certificate.
You were not here when you were 2 to 3 years old, Mr. Yang. Sabi nyo dumating kayo 1998 or 1999. And then 2004 pa itong rehistro, 34 years old na po kayo. And then now you're telling us it was your grandfather who late registered your live birth. So it looks to me, Mr. Yang, the birth certificate is fake. Remember, you are answering under oath. Ms. Carolyn, please.
我们的参议员说，就是因为这个出生证，它的日期它并不是在你2、3岁才出来的出生证，所以这应该是假的出生证。
Your mic, please.
这样，因为当时我爷爷吧，他弄给我，我也不知道，应该就是为了要做生意比较方便嘛，应该是这样吧。
That during that time, it was my grandfather who helped me come up with this birth certificate, and I'm not sure, maybe he did this for the convenience of the business here.
Similar story as Guo Huaping, similar story as revealed by the SP pro tempore about Cassandra Leong. We will ask the Philippine Statistics Authority to investigate if, like theirs, your Philippine birth certificate is also irregular. Dahil lumalabas, the birth certificate is fake. Mr. Yang, sabi nyo nga, you are a Chinese national, sabi nyo wala kayong Philippine passport. Ba't kayo nagpapanggap na Pilipino? Miss Caroline.
你刚才说你是中国籍，然后你也说你们有菲律宾的护照，那你为什么要说你要说自己是菲律宾人？
啊？
你为什么要说自己是菲律宾人？
因为我当时我外公嘛，他弄给我我刚来也不大懂得他弄这个给我是为了什么。我自己在想，应该是为了我留在菲律宾这边发展做生意吧。比较方便嘛，应该是这样，我自己想的吧。因为当时他弄给我，到现在也好像有20年左右了，我也反正就一直就是这样的，这样用着。
Okay. During that time, it was my grandfather who helped me process this birth certificate. I am not aware of this. Maybe he was thinking that it was for my convenience so that I can build a business here.
Ano ba talaga ang totoong pangalan nyo, Mr. Yang? Let me show you yung ACR application form nyo. Pinafa-follow up ni SP President Pro Tempore. Ano bang totoong pangalan nyo? Mr. Yang，
请问你真正的名字全名是什么？
我
是
杨建新。
I am Yang Jianxin.
Yang Jianxin, as I read from your nameplate. But look at this. Tingnan nyo Ito yung ACR application nyo. Diyan, Yang Jianxin nga kayo. Pero merong ding LTO, Driver's License Application. Papakita din po namin. Dito naman, pangalan nyo, Antonio Maestrado Lim. Ito pa, Taxpayer's Identification Number application. May TIN pa. So ito, sa mga Pilipino, dito naman, iba na naman ang pangalan nyo. Antonio Lim. So alin sa mga ito ang totoong pangalan nyo?
请看我们刚才给你出示的这些驾驶照，还有这个交税的号码。那这里有说您的名字就是 Antonio Maestrado Lim， 还有一个就是 Antonio Lim。那请问您真正的名字是什么？
真正的名字？
是的。
我自己也不大清楚。但是我知道，就是说叫安多尼林安年，可是林个里是阿个，我家的都因比马路龙安年，比如，就是我自己对这个英文嘛，我也不说也不准，但是就是大概就是叫安多尼林这样，我知道那个。就是叫安多尼林或安多尼임림概念。
Since I do not know how to speak English, what I only know is that I am called Antonio Lim. They call me Antonio Lim. That's what they call me.
Before I continue questioning Mr. Yang, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of the Majority Leader, Senator Francis. Salamat sa pagdalo. Sir, bakit ba pa iba-iba pa yung pangalan na ginagamit nyo sa mga official documents? Minsan kayo si Yang Jianxin. Minsan Tony Yang kayo. Minsan naman, Antonio Maestrado Lim. Bakit iniiba-iba ninyo yung pangalan nyo sa official documents?
请问为什么要这样做？就是在不同的这些政府的文件，你用不同的名字。
我就是政府的文件应该只有安东尼林嘛，没有别的名字啊。
In the government documents, I only use Antonio Lim and no other name.
May pinakita kaming iba. Yung alien registration application nyo sa Republika ng Pilipinas, Yang Tianqin. Dun sa LTO driver's license application na sinabit nyo sa Republika, you were Tony Yang, the previous slide. Doon naman, dito naman sa TIN application nyo, Antonio Maestrado Lim. Hindi totoo na isang pangalan lang ginagamit nyo. Iniiba-iba ninyo. And you have profited from changing your name and your nationality dito sa iba't ibang submissions nyo. At your convenience. Talagang for convenience. Gaya ng sinabi nyo tungkol sa lolo nyo. You're only Filipino when it benefits you. Miss Carolyn.
OK， 参议员认为，就是你在这些政府的文件就使用了不同的名字。刚才那个外国人注册，你用了那个杨建新的名字，但是在驾驶照还有这个交税的文件，你用了你的英文名字，就是 Antonio Lim。那我们认为呢，你这样用就是为了在菲律宾能够赚钱，能够使用你这个菲律宾的这个身份来在这里开业做企业。
我对就是说，在菲律宾做生意吧，中国人，比如说没有菲律宾的那个证件就不能做生意吧，不能申请这个营业执照啦。我就是当时我外公啊，他弄这个给我，我在想，应该他也是想说，为了我在这边做生意，以后长期留下来在菲律宾比较方便嘛，应该是这样的。
Yes, because the initial intention of my grandfather is for me to start a business here. That's why I use an English name so that I can also apply for business permits, for other documentations that will be needed for the business.
Precisely. So for the record, Mr. Yang has confirmed that he is also Antonio Maestrado Lim, aside from Tony Yang, aside from Yang Tianqin. At di ako makapaniwala, quarter of a century na kayo dito sa Pilipinas, sa Cagayan de Oro included, at di pa kayo marunong mag-Bisaya fluently o Filipino fluently. Dili ako buang para maniwala dyan.
Madam Chair, can I just clarify
Senator
one thing?
Joel, one
Can
thing.
I just clarify, Caroline, if you can relay this message? Is it still your grandfather who applied for the TIN, for the LTO and ACR, as you previously mentioned for your certificate of live birth? Yung grandfather mo pa rin ba yung nag-apply para sa'yo at this point in time na ganito ka ng katanda?
Ms. Carolyn.
请问杨先生，这些其他的文件，刚才你说过，就是你是出生证，就是有你的外公来帮你办理。那么其他的文件，比如说这个驾驶照啊，这个外国人的注册啊，还有这些交税的号码，也就是您的外公来帮你办理吗？
不是，这个不是我外公帮我办理，这个是我去办理的。
No, it was not. It was not processed by my grandfather. It was me who processed these other documents.
So obviously,
Precisely,
Madam Chair,
yes.
exactly. Obviously, ginagamit mo yung iba-ibang pangalan gaya ng minana mo sa kiniklaim mo na grandfather mo para sa convenience mo at ikaw na nagsabi nun, para sa negosyo mo at paiba-iba ka ng pangalan dahil illegal yung mga negosyo mo. Yung mga negosyo mo gumagawa ng criminal activities. Isang tanong na lang. Can I just one, Madam Chair?
One more, and
Yes,
then the chair will
yes.
continue her question.
Yes. What about yung mga gun permits mo? Permit to carry mo? Pare-pareho din ba yung pangalan mo? Meron ka bang mga gun permits? Kasi nung nahuli ka sa Cagayan de Oro, may 6 na baril na possession mo.
Ms. Caroline.
OK，所以一个问题就是，请问你那个持枪的那个证书就是用什么名字？
那个是安东尼林的哦，
持枪的。
是安东尼林。
I use Antonio Lim for that permit.
For
Madam
all
Chair,
6.
I just wanted to put on record, last na po ito, hindi Pilipino.